Good morning, Mom. Welcome to Paradise Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I need a room for my 2 days vacation, please.
Have you made a reservation before?
Not yet.
May I have your name, please?
Oh, sure. My name is Seri M. Ponce.
Thank you, Miss Ponce, but could you please spell your first name for me?
Is E-R-I-E-N.
Is E-R-I-A-M. That's right, Mom?
Yes, that's right.
Room do you like, Mom?
What kind of room do you have?
Alright, Miss Ponce, we have 3 types of room: suite, deluxe, and standard. The room for suite is 30 pesos per night, and for deluxe room is 20 pesos for 1 night, and for standard is 20 pesos. What kind of room do you like, Mom?
I think a deluxe room.
When will you stay and for how long, Mom?
I will check in today and for 3 nights.
Please wait a moment, Mom. I will check our chart before.
Okay.
Alright, Miss Ponce, you are lucky. The room is available for you. Do you have any special request?
No, thank you.
Borrow your passport, Mom.
Oh, sure.
Thank you, Miss Ponce. Alright, Mom, your room is 1 deluxe room. The room rate is 20K and you will stay for 3 nights. Is that true, Mom?
Yes, that's right.
Alright, Miss Ponce, could you please complete the registration form and may I have your signature here?
Oh, sure. Yes?
Yes. How about the settle of your payment, Mom? Will you pay by cash, credit card, debit card?
Can I pay by debit card?
Sure, we accept Visa, MasterCard, Beta, and debit card.
Yeah.
May I borrow your debit card, Mom,
Oh,
please?
sure.
Thank you so much, Mom. Alright, Miss Ponce. Alright, Miss Ponce, this is your guest card and your room key card. Our bellboy will escort you to your room. Anything else, Mom?
Oh, that's all. Thank you.
Alright, Miss Ponce, for more information for our hotel facilities and activities, please don't hesitate to call us.
Thank you.
I hope you will have a very pleasant stay with us here, Miss Ponce, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you.